Hey guys, I'm Frida with WTI, and I am sitting on my little cute, perfect shower stool from Rohkex. I have been looking for something for 3 years to put in my shower. It's very annoying not having somewhere to sit and shave your legs, so this was my perfect solution. You can see how narrow my shower is, and I'm just so thankful to have found this because it's holding up really well. It comes in all sorts of different colors, but I chose black because it matches all of the accents in my shower. The little bottom ledge part is perfect for my kids because they can't reach those niches, so I just put all their shampoo and body wash down there. It has a beautiful wood grain on the top, and it's rated to hold up to 300 pounds. So I know my entire family can use this without absolutely destroying it. So we've been really thankful for it. And then obviously all showers slope towards the drain. So the little adjustable feet on the bottom are perfect because it got rid of any sort of wobbles that we had. And I know it's going to be safe for everyone to use. And talk about cleaning up. I mean, it wipes clean and looks brand new. Now, I am not great at following instructions. Thankfully, this was so simple to put together. I only put one of the legs on upside down one time, and it comes with everything you need in the kit to put it together. It took me just a few minutes, even without following the instructions, and then you just kind of screw the little feet on the bottom, and everything's great. Do not hesitate to get this shower stool if you have an awkward space like me and you want something that you know is going to treat you well and hold up and be sturdy over time. Rohkex has your back, and that's my point of view.